Hello students, today we will discuss magnetic effect of electric current. We have here a simple circuit diagram where the battery is connected. We have positive and negative end. As we have discussed, current always flows from positive end to negative end of the battery. Means current यहाँ से flow करेगा और यहाँ पे meet करेगा. We have considered a straight conductor AB. Now we want to check that whether the magnetic field is generated around the conductor or not. To check that, we'll perform a simple activity. I have taken a compass, magnetic compass. This is a north, south, east and west directions. After placing that compass, I found that the magnetic needle gets deflected towards right side, means east side, and the direction of current is from A to B. I will change this experiment by changing the direction of positive and negative end. Means if I change the direction of battery, ends of the battery, the direction of current also gets altered. Now here the positive end. Similarly पहले की तरह यहाँ भी positive end से current flow करेगा और ऐसे. Means in this case, instead of flowing of current from A to B, here the flow of current is from B to A. Now you can observe the deflection in the needle. Instead of deflection in the east side, our needle gets deflected to the west side. Means the needle deflection has been changed. So what conclusion we can draw from this activity? यहाँ पे क्या conclusion आ सकता है? तो conclusion यही आएगा, whenever the direction of current gets changed, the direction of magnetic field also changes. So direction of magnetic field depends on the direction of electric current. That is the conclusion of this activity. Now second question arises. So यहाँ पे सोचना होगा कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन तो चेंज होता है करंट के हिसाब से, बट व्हाट वुड बी द डायरेक्शन and what is the nature of magnetic field lines? To discuss that, we can see this picture. Look at here. Suppose we have a straight conductor. This is a straight conductor and direction is upward. You can see the magnetic field lines are in the form of concentric circles, isn't it? Can you see this? So the direction of current is upward and magnetic field lines are in anti-clockwise, which are concentric circles anti-clockwise. So not only 3 circles, there may be many more circles. And if you go away from the core of the conductor, means in the first circle, second circle, like that, if you go away from the conductor, magnetic field strength goes on decreasing. That is another importance. Means near the conductor magnetic field strength is more, and away from the conductor magnetic field strength goes on decreasing. So when the current direction is upward, if the current direction is downward, what will happen? Look at here in the another picture. So we have here another thing, another picture. Now the current direction is downward, means current direction is suppose downward like this. Then the magnetic field lines are in anti-clockwise direction. Again same thing, the magnetic field strength goes on decreasing away from the conductor. So you understood these things, means the magnetic field lines are always in the form of concentric circle. Still one question remains unanswered. When this direction is clockwise and anti-clockwise, how to remember the magnetic field line direction? For that, we can discuss right hand thumb rule. Through this right hand thumb rule, we will come to know that direction of magnetic field in a straight conductor. It is a very simple rule. Suppose this is a conductor and the direction of electric current is along the tip of the conductor. Means the direction of electric current we will assume like this. Imagine you are holding a straight conductor in your right hand. The thumb is stretched in the direction of, look at here, the thumb is stretched in the direction of electric current. Then the curl fingers, the fingers which are curled around the conductor, gives you the direction of magnetic field. It is so simple. Once again I repeat this law. Imagine you are holding current carrying conductor in a right hand such that thumb is stretched in the direction of current. Then your curl fingers shows the direction of magnetic field. Means, as I told you before also, if the current is upward, the direction of magnetic field is anti-clockwise. Look at here, anti-clockwise fingers. And if the current is downward, then direction of magnetic field is clockwise. So you understood this right hand thumb rule. Through this rule, we can determine the direction of electric current. Thank you.